It's a cloudy, cold and wet start to Friday morning over western South Africa as the first of a series of cold fronts passed through overnight. It's a partly cloudy start to the day in the Free State and Eastern Cape, where isolated showers are possible from early on, but it's going to be a fine and warm day over northern South Africa, with hot conditions likely in parts of KwaZulu-Natal and the Lowveld. The South African Weather Service warns against heavy rain today in parts of the Cape Metropole and Overberg, and this could lead to localized flooding. Here's our rain forecast for today. Intermittent showers likely over the western parts of the Western Cape, especially in mountainous regions, and the band of showers and thunder showers over the central interior slowly but surely starting to clear from the west. Daytime temperatures will be very low in the Northern Cape, only 11 degrees forecast for Sutherland, 13 in Springbok, Cape Town with a maximum of 17 degrees, but it's going to be warmer along the Wild Coast, East London with a high of 24. 30s in Richards Bay and Pietermaritzburg. It's going to be warm in Bombela as well with a high of 29, 25 degrees likely in Pretoria and Polokwane with maximums of 23 in Joburg and Bloemfontein. Fresh northwesterlies at first along the Namaqualand coastline, moderating to 20 kilometers per hour this afternoon, but it's going to stay breezy in Langebaan with an average wind speed of 35 kilometers per hour. Strong winds likely along the southwest coast, especially in Cape Agulhas, average wind speeds of 55 kilometers per hour, and there's an open ocean swell of 4.5 meters, which translates to breakers up to 8 feet on the beachfront. Along the south coast, we're not expecting much rain. Offshore winds at first up to 40 kilometers per hour. Winds will become southwesterly during the second part of the day, and there's an open ocean swell of 3 meters. Along the east coast, beautiful conditions likely in KwaZulu-Natal, light northeasterlies along the south coast, offshore winds at first along the Wild Coast and in East London, becoming southwesterly later in the afternoon with a southeasterly swell of 1.5 meters.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com